With the shelter-in-place orders throughout the United States and Canada, it probably means you're not using your vehicle very much or at all. I want to share with you some quick techniques to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape and running smoothly. Number 1, keep your battery charged. A short drive or a trickle charger will work. Number 2, check your engine fluids. Proper oil and transmission fluid levels will prevent problems down the road. Number 3, maintain recommended tire pressure. This helps to prevent flat spots when your vehicle is sitting. Number 4, wash your vehicle frequently. This helps to protect the paint, especially for the vehicles parked outdoors. While many businesses around the country have closed to stop the spread of COVID-19, automotive dealerships remain open and ready to further assist you.